Alright guys, welcome to Planter Garden TV. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys for all the support. I really do. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you guys how I supercharge my peppers. Alright, I'm growing peppers. We all grow pepper our own way. But I start working on my peppers from very young. Before I even transplant them, I already start working on them. So how I supercharge my monkey pepper, what I do, you see the top crown right there? I'll get down in there and I'll pick it out. You see? I pick out the pepper, the top of the pepper. So what's gonna happen now, this pepper gonna start strengthening itself, start getting thick and strengthen itself and become a huge strong pepper tree that produce a lot of pepper. This is how I do it. It works for me. Maybe you could try to, but as you see, I now pick out the heart of the pepper. So what this gonna do now, this pepper tree gonna spread while it's growing. So this is gonna be one huge massive pepper tree. Even in here too, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm just trying to show you guys how I supercharge my peppers.